I'm getting in my bag, that's a big influence. You reaching for my bag, you can't get to it. Stacking up my money, call it Lego. Living color bills like pesos.
Check this out. Hey, I was at the market, right? And I was walking and I seen some black chicken. You hear what I just said? I seen black chicken. I was like, oh, I'm eating white chicken. And they got black chicken. You know what time it is. You know who's cooking. It's Chef Z. And guess what? This, come close. Come close. I'm about to put all of this chicken. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to fry this chicken. Come a little closer. Guess what? You better get it. Did you hear me? You better get it. Boy, do you see this? This is real black chicken. One thing about getting chicken from the market, they give you the whole goddamn gobble. They give you the whole Hey, they give it all to you. You feel what I'm saying? This is real live black chicken. You want to scratch somebody? You need a back scratch. Get a back scratch. You feel what I'm saying? So this is this black bird that I seen. I wasn't expecting the bird to be looking at me. You feel me? But hey, we're gonna go on and clean this bird up. We're gonna go on and dispose of the goddamn. Is that a freaking ear? Woo! But I don't know. But she gotta go. You feel what I'm saying? So let me go on and dispose of. Let me go and put it on the platter. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah. But what's first we're gonna do? We're gonna get rid of these body parts. You feel what I'm saying? First we're gonna start with the neck, the legs. We're gonna leave the wings, so we eat the wing. Y'all ready? Get your sharp knife. This is a fillet knife, so I'm about to fillet the neck. Alright. Oh, snap. Boy, if you don't. This thing dead. Oh, snap.
Get some help.
Thought they were gone. Hey, real black chicken. Hey, them boy. Woo. So we just gonna handle that bird like a piece of chicken.
Ouch.
That bird like.
It looks like it hurts.
Yeah. I'm a bird. You know what I'm saying? Legs up. Okay, we're gonna move them to the side. I did. They was darker, but I browned them for like 24 hours, a day and a half. They said they had, so they lined up. They still my people.
My God, looks like
They might do if they were hot. They had no guts.
But they were not.
T-Rex.
They do look like a T-Rex, but T-Rexes aren't tiny. Vampires.
Them some claws, boy. I tell you, look at the nails even black. I tell you. These how I remember getting chicken from the store. Just like that, 2 baby birds. Well, I'm gonna go quarter it out, and then we're gonna be back. I'm about to quarter it. I'm gonna quarter it, and it's gonna be 4 pieces when I get done. So sharpen up the knife. Don't worry about the tip. Yeah! Yeah! Look how black it is, y'all, on the inside. Ooh, scared of that.
What do you mean?
Okay, now we got it quartered out, got the feathers off. Ooh, we're gonna season it. Put your salt base down first, people. I don't care what you do. My wife will tell me all the time. Put salt on there. So we're gonna season it. We gonna season, you know, we black, we season in the bowl. We don't lay our stuff out, you know what I mean? We just season in the bowl. Black pepper, you know, just the regular. They're black pepper, big pieces. You gonna smell that in the chicken. Give it a little paprika. Did I say that right? My co-chef is in behind me. Let me raise my hand a little bit. You gotta hit with some OB. You gotta hit it with some OB. Y'all might think, oh, it's gonna be a little salty. Nah, OB really ain't that salty. For real, for real.
Call it powder.
Let them know. That's a little bit, not much. We're gonna crumble them, rumble them. You feel me? Get it on now. This is the chicken black and it's proud. You know. Okay, hopefully, I'm gonna stick this in the refrigerator, get that grease hot, let that stuff marinate into the meat, and then we'll be back. You dig? That bird. Scary. Let's try it. Ready to go on and eat it. Wife already over there eating.
Stop it.
You can't look.
I wasn't trying to do that. I was trying to bite it.
Killing it. He dropping corn. My daughter. We're gonna try it. This is the wing. As you can see, that sucker looking scarce.
I'm scared of him, y'all. I heard what it was.
I'm waiting my wife going to break her piece. We're going to eat it together. We're going to eat it together.
Look at the fire.
Oh my
Good.
god.
You know what he doing?
Mom, look.
Yeah. I know it's scary, huh? Can you say he don't like it?
What it taste like?
He didn't even ate it.
All right.
He just broke it open.
2 pieces. It's literally black on the inside. You ready? All right. Smell like chicken.
Stop it. Get some help.
Don't look like chicken. What tastes like that?
Say like chicken. Man,
I gotta taste like.
Well, hell my piece out.
they good. They're good though.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, yeah.
it's good.
Good.
That's good too.
Man, it's good. Y'all gotta try it.
Can't slide down. Just slide down.
Kenny said, I don't want this chicken.
Okay, slide down so I can slide. What the?
Black meat.
I'm trying to slide down.
One thing I know about the chicken is it's very lean. It ain't got as much fat as like the white chicken. But man, I think, man.
Oh, it tastes
Tastes like chicken.
Yeah, it tastes like
Isn't
the
Can you
white
slide down?
Slide on it. Like
It's about to get.
back to what I was saying.
Yeah.
Though, you know, like around the thigh high, usually have all that fat around. It don't have that on this, so it's a simple meal. You know.
We just wanted to try it, man. You know, I want to see what that neck hit like, but
It's you.
You want to see what that neck hit like?
on the chicken. Let me tell y'all one
You ain't
thing.
hit the ball. Show that plate, man. Show that plate. Show that plate, baby.
I killed it like a real piece of chicken. Stop playing. I ate that. Big breast. Yeah. She's a go-getter with the white chicken. See, with the white chicken, everything is
I
clear.
don't know why you put that on my plate. No. Keep it on. Keep it on. Leave it on.
Yeah, you got